Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsica, South Yorkshire. On one side, I've even taken the trouble to put the logo, which is rather nice. Right, we need to turn this thing onto its back to set it up. Right, what we've got to do is put the iron into what's called the art plate position. So we take the handle off. I'll do that again for you to see. So my handle's back on. So what we do is there's a little switch at the back with an arrow on it. Pull the little switch, lift up the handle slightly, and then pull the handle away backwards, like so. That handle will just come away. Then we pop, again, all this is done while the iron is not plugged in. Pop the handle over the green part of the iron, but not over the black part. And then just push and it will click into position. And it's like locked. Okay? So you've got that. There's two nuts inside the just here on the left and here on the left and the right, and by just unscrewing those a little bit, it just gives a little bit of room and a little bit of manoeuvrability just to get this iron plate along there. Okay, and you want to be pushing that all the way home. Alright. Then just screw down the bolts on both sides. They feel nice and tight. How I like to use this hot plate is I tend to turn this up a little bit more. So instead of having it on the low setting, I tend to just turn it a little bit more toward, just only a couple of marks towards the higher setting. It's about halfway between high and low. And again, if you then untwiddle your plug, etc., and plug yourself in, that would all sit nicely, like so, and you'd be ready to go. That's how to assemble the compact hot plate. If anyone's got any questions, feel free to pop them in the comments below and I will try and get back to you on them. Happy painting everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.